It's always been a great time in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and Northern Warriors is always we support Northern Warriors, and Almas always always. It's been a good friend always. So we support Northern Warriors, and all the best to them, all the best to the team. Do well and have a great time. Thank you so much. Yeah. Any of my favorite songs yeah, it's one of the Animal song you must be knowing. It's for the Northern Warriors and Almas. वो सब कुछ ही मिटा देंगे, वो सारे होश गवा देंगे, अगर तुझे हो गया कुछ सारी दुनिया जला देंगे, अगर तुझे हो गया कुछ सारी दुनिया जला देंगे. Thank you.
जी बिल्कुल, ये फास्ट गेम है, तो ये मोमेंटम का गेम है. तो अगर प्लेयर्स की बात करें तो टॉप वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर हमारे पास है. जैसे आपने नाम लिया ट्रेंट बोल्ट, और उसके साथ कोलिन मुनरो हो गया, जॉनसन चार्ल्स हो गया, हजरतुल्लाह ज़ज़ई हो गया. तो बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं और अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है, और तैयारी भी भरपूर है, और इस टूर्नामेंट के लिए काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है. जी बिल्कुल, इसमें ज़्यादातर ये जो आपके स्किल्स होते हैं वो इस फॉर्मेट में आपको शो करने पड़ते हैं. तो बिल्कुल यही होता है कि इसमें वेरिएशन काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आपको पास सिर्फ 2 ओवर्स है, उसके अलावा आपके पास ज़्यादा बॉलिंग आपने मिलनी नहीं है. तो ये एक मोमेंटम का गेम है.
Yeah, first of all, I'm really excited to be here. I'm coming here for the first time, and our team is pretty balanced, and our batting and bowling both are pretty balanced, and I'm really confident. With the bat, we're gonna score some good totals, and with the ball, I have confidence like we can defend any total. So really looking forward to it, and hope for the best. No doubt he's a legend, everyone knows, and definitely he's gonna share his experience. With that, there are some big names like Trent, Omarzai, and some other good players are there with the bowling side. Shamsi is there. So yeah, we pretty decent team we have. So just we have to be united together, then we can do well. No doubt he's he have nothing to prove. He already proven in the world, and he's one of the best bowler in the world. So now definitely at the moment we are teammates. So definitely I would like to take something from him, and he's a very good teammate as well. He's gonna share plenty of things with us. So hopefully I can take plenty of things from him, and then I can add on my career as well. They are very good, everyone knows, and that's why Northern Warriors picked them, and I have personally believe they are already proven in the world, and most of them are playing IPL, all the other leagues. They have plenty of experience. So hopefully by their experience and by their skill wise, we're gonna get benefited. No, Nets different. Nets, everyone not hitting like this, but once he gets in, difficult to bowl him.
No, now this time we have Omarzai, we have Taskin, so we have good bowlers. I think in 10 overs, if you will, what I feel, if you will more concentrate on bowling, so if you can stop the runs, so it's easy to make small number of runs. So we hope so that this time we will bring, और इस बार हम कप अपने घर लेके आएंगे. We are so
We are
excited.
very excited and very happy that he's come and joined Northern Warriors. It's a proud moment for us having such a coach with us in our team.
We already line up for the practice every day. So today also they were in practice. Yesterday they were in practice, and we won one practice game also.
Yeah, we already won one practice
Yeah,
game.
so
So
it's
hoping-
like hope so that we are doing hard work on it, and all players and under the supervision of experienced this coach, and because he's a gem of the person, he had a great history in cricket. So as a Chaminda was also, we are not involved in operations too much, but yes, the player what we have, the Hatmayer, Colin Munro, I think they are enough player to win the match single-handedly. Trent Bolt is the most expensive player in IPL also, and I think his bid gone nearby 27 crores. We are happy to keep him in our team, and we retain him because he was previous player also. And Trent Bolt is a really
our icon player. So we are very positive to take him as our main bowler.
Thank you and all the best for all the season.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for being here.
शुभ अवसर बहुत अच्छा है, हम लोगों के लिए बहुत प्राउड का मोमेंट है, क्योंकि हमारी फ्रेंड अलमास तरुण कथूरिया, तरुण भाई, दे आर द ओनर्स ऑफ नॉर्दर्न वॉरियर एंड हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि वो बहुत अमेजिंग करने वाले हैं और एज यूजुअल 2 बार ऑलरेडी जीत गया, तो इस बार हैट्रिक होने वाली है हमारी, तो फॉर श्योर। और अलमास को बहुत बहुत विशेज़, हम सबको बहुत बहुत विशेज़, जो हम सब उनके शुभचिंतक हैं, दोस्त हैं। हम लोग चीयर करने के लिए स्टेडियम में रहेंगे एंड डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर टीम। ट्रॉफी के लिए तैयारी बड़ी सिंपल है, लड़के सब बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम एक्टिव हैं, दे आर डूइंग देयर प्रैक्टिस सिंस लॉन्ग एंड हमें जो लग रहा है कि वो लोग अमेजिंग करने वाले हैं इस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट में।
अलमास तरुण कटोरिया को मेरी तरफ से बहुत सारी बधाई हो, मुबारक हो। नॉर्दर्न वॉरियर ऐसा नाम जो है जब से आया है क़यामत मचा रहा है और रिकॉर्ड है हिस्ट्री का। नॉर्दर्न वॉरियर इज फैंटाबुलस या, तो मेरा मानना और कहना है वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द सेम मैसिव पावर हाउस विद नॉर्दर्न वॉरियर। माय बेस्ट विशेस।